Sons of the sea, or sons of the saint, who is the child with no complaint? Sons of the great, or sons unknown? All were children like your own. The same sweet smiles, the same sad tears, the cries at night, the nightmare fears. Sons of the great, or sons unknown, all were children like your own. Sons of tycoons, or sons of the farms, all of the children ran from your arms, through fields of gold, through fields of ruin. All the children vanished too soon, in towering waves, in walls of flesh, amid dying birds, trembling with death. Sons of tycoons, or sons of the farms, all the children ran from your arms. So long ago, long, long ago. So sons of your sons, or sons passing by, children we lost in lullabies. Sons of true love, or sons of regret, all the sons we cannot forget. Some built the roads, some wrote the poems, some went to war, some never came home. Sons of our sons, oh sons passing by, children we lost in lullabies. Sons of the sea, or sons of the saint, who is the child with no complaint? Sons of the great, or sons unknown, all the children like your own. The same sweet smiles, the same sad tears, the cries at night, the nightmare fears. Sons of the great, or sons unknown,